I'm back. Gonna make another dirt bike video. Gotta bust it out of the shed. Jeez. This is some long-awaited content. This thing's been broken for about 4 years, but my little brother finally got it fixed. One of his friends knows how to work on dirt bikes, so we're gonna make a little video. This is my camera stand. I'm a retired YouTuber, so that's all I got. This is what we're working with. Little Chinese dirt bike, a little walk around here. Now, the side fender's missing. No idea where it went. Tried to find it. Nowhere to be found. There's a new carburetor that was put in. I think, yeah, it's a carburetor. I tried to fix it myself, but I couldn't because I'm a freaking idiot. I started it yesterday just fine. It's got gas, so I'm hoping it starts. Starts. My little brother also leaned it against our old pool tarp after he rode it, and it's melted on. Hoping this helmet still fits. It fits, but the glasses suck getting on. Ow! Oh, we're good. I look like an idiot. We're gonna take it outside the yard now. Just gotta open up this little gate. Oh, damn it. Jeez. Oh. And yeah, I guess we'll go out there. Alright, we're gonna kill this thing. Probably the dustiest video on this account. I don't have a camera set on my freaking helmet, so I can't get those shots of me riding the bike. But yeah, that's it. We'll get this helmet off and we'll call it a video. Oh jeez, what the Sigma. There we go. Oh gosh. Shout out to Josh Guard and the Penn group chat. Ciao.